How to use your phone as a microphone on PC. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, go to search bar and search for control panel. In here, click on view by, make sure it's in large icon, and then search for sound. Click on sound and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, you'll find recordings option. In recording, you'll find your device, which is your phone in here. Right-click on your phone. If the service is available on your device, you'll simply need to click on Connect and then make sure it's set on default. After it's set on default, simply click on OK and you're good to go. That's how you use your phone as a microphone on PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophie signing off. Until next time.